right now, guys. As you can see, like it's a bit windy, not too windy, but it has like wind. So this is me speaking without the lapel PowerDewise microphone, and now I'm gonna plug it in. So this is me speaking with a PowerDewise microphone. So as you can see, there's like a wind. Okay, this is me speaking without the PowerDewise microphone. And then now guys, this is me speaking with a PowerDewise microphone. I don't know if you guys can hear, it's like a wind right now. So yeah guys, this is me with the PowerDewise microphone.